Are you one of those people who skip breakfast and just grab coffee on the way out? What if I told you that this habit could actually speed up aging, reduce your brain power, and increase your risk of serious diseases? Today, I'm going to share 6 powerful foods that doctors recommend for your empty stomach in the morning. These foods can boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and protect your health. Stick around, because your mornings might never be the same after this. Let's start with the very first one. Believe it or not, the healthiest thing you can give your body in the morning is not coffee, not juice, but a simple glass of lukewarm water. While you sleep, you lose about 500 milliliters of water through sweat, breathing, and urine production. This fluid loss makes your blood thicker and slows down circulation, which is one reason why heart attacks and strokes are more common in the morning. Drinking a glass of lukewarm water right after waking up helps thin the blood, improves circulation, flushes out toxins, and even helps with long-term weight control. But here's an important tip: don't gulp it down quickly. Drink slowly, one sip at a time, over 5 minutes. And always rinse your mouth first, because bacteria build up while you sleep. Also, avoid cold water, especially if you have a sensitive stomach, because your body has to waste energy bringing it back up to body temperature. The second morning superfood is cabbage. When your stomach is empty, the lining is vulnerable to irritation, even in healthy people. Cabbage contains a compound often called vitamin U, which is known to protect and repair the stomach lining. It can even help prevent ulcers. The green leaves of cabbage also contain sulforaphane, a compound that prevents blood clots and protects your blood vessels. On top of that, cabbage is packed with vitamin C for immunity, fiber to regulate blood sugar, and nutrients that lower cholesterol. To get the most benefit, eat it raw. An easy recipe is a cabbage and apple salad. Just shred some fresh cabbage, grate half an apple over it, drizzle with olive oil, and add a squeeze of lemon juice if you like. This salad not only tastes refreshing, but also helps you enjoy cabbage every day without getting bored. Now let's move to the third food, eggs. Eggs are one of the most convenient and nutritious breakfast foods you can have. They're rich in protein, phosphorus, iron, and vitamins A and D. Eating eggs in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism after a night of rest. They also contain lecithin, which supports brain function, making eggs a perfect way to wake up your mind. Think of them as nature's multivitamin. Just boil a couple of eggs the night before, and in the morning, you've got an easy, healthy breakfast ready to go. Cooked eggs are better than raw because heat changes the protein structure without destroying the nutrients. The fourth food on our list might surprise you: potatoes. Potatoes are alkaline foods that help protect your stomach lining, while their high potassium content helps flush out sodium and lower blood pressure. They're also rich in vitamin C, which supports your immune system and keeps your skin healthy. Potatoes contain all 6 B vitamins, which are essential for energy, nerve function, and even healthy hair and nails. In fact, potatoes can substitute for rice as a carbohydrate source, while also providing top-quality protein. The healthiest way to eat them is baked or steamed, not fried. And here's a pro tip: if you steam potatoes with the skin on, and then refrigerate them for at least 16 hours, the starch changes into a form that lowers blood sugar, so you can enjoy them without worrying about spikes. The fifth food is oats, a true superfood. Oats are on the list of the world's top 10 healthiest foods, and for good reason. They're loaded with a soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which improves insulin sensitivity and helps control blood sugar. Studies show that oats can even lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Oats also keep you full for longer, making them a great choice if you're trying to lose weight. Beyond that, they support immunity, improve digestion, and even benefit your skin. Just remember, because they're high in fiber, eating too much at once may cause bloating if your stomach is sensitive. The key is moderation. And finally, number 6, carrots. Carrots are a powerhouse of nutrients. Just half a carrot provides all the vitamin A you need for the day. They're also rich in beta-carotene, lutein, and antioxidants that protect your heart, your eyes, and your skin, while boosting your immune system and digestion. Carrots can be eaten raw, but when cooked, their beta-carotene absorption increases dramatically, especially if you eat them with a little bit of oil. A great morning combination is carrot-apple juice. Blend 1 carrot with half an apple and enjoy it alongside a boiled egg. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly healthy. So let's recap. The 6 best foods you can eat on an empty stomach are lukewarm water, cabbage, eggs, potatoes, oats, and carrots. Each one supports your health in a unique way, from protecting your stomach and boosting your immunity to fueling your brain and keeping your weight under control. Breakfast is not just about filling your stomach, it's about giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. By eating the right foods in the morning, you can improve your energy, strengthen your immunity, protect your heart, and even reduce stress. So tomorrow morning, don't skip breakfast. Instead, give one or more of these 6 foods a try. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss more health tips like this. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor or healthcare professional before making big changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a healthy, happy, and energized day ahead.